Ready to turn your PDFs, notes, and ideas into dynamic mind maps effortlessly? Let's dive into the magic of Map This. First up, let's tackle generating a mind map from a PDF. Start by uploading your PDF file. Next, guide the mind mapping process by adding specific instructions. Choose a topic to center your mind map around, and don't forget to specify any exclusions to keep out irrelevant information. And watch as Map This transforms your document into a detailed mind map. Preview the result, and you are done. It's that simple. But wait, there is more. What if you want to generate a mind map from your notes? Let's explore that next. Enter your notes and hit Map This. In just seconds, your notes will be organized into a structured mind map. Preview the result, and your mind map is ready to go. Next, curious about generating a mind map from just a topic? Stay tuned. Enter your topic, click Map This, and let the AI work its magic. Within moments, you will have a comprehensive mind map that visually organizes your ideas. Once again, preview your creation and hit Export to finalize it. With Map This, transforming your PDFs, notes, and topics into visual mind maps has never been easier. Give it a try and revolutionize the way you organize your ideas. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.